welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the blurry background when generating AI images. So how can you fix that? Let's talk about it. So before going to the video, if you want to learn about AI tutorials, you can visit ComfyUI blog. We write articles on how to reduce VRAM consumption in HD scripts and more tutorials. We add daily new tutorials. You can get the latest AI news about cool tools that update, and many more. Now back to the video. When generating an image using SD 1.5, SDXL, or Flux, you may notice that sometimes backgrounds come out blurry. For most people, a blurry background is not a problem, but sometimes you want the background to be clear. Here is a LoRA available for that. It can fix the blurry background. The name is Anti-Blur LoRA. This LoRA has been trained by Shaker AI. You can see without LoRA and with LoRA. You can see the comparison in both images. As you can see the blurry background in one and clear in the other. In this video we will talk about the disadvantage of this LoRA, the steps to get the best result from this LoRA, and many more things. The disadvantage of the LoRA is that it can slightly affect image quality, while enhancing the depth of the field. As you can see in both images, it affects the face. This is the only disadvantage of this LoRA. It affects the image quality a little bit. So how do you get the best results from this LoRA? First, let's talk about trigger words. For this LoRA, no trigger words are needed. You don't need to add any words to run this LoRA. The next step is scale. The recommended scale for this LoRA is 1.0 to 1.5. To get the best results, you can adjust and run tests between 1.0 and 1.5, based on your requirement. Steps required. 24 to get good results. Guidance. Scale is 3.5. This is copyrighted by the user Vadim_Fidenko, and they released this model under permission. Follow the rules of Flux 1-day non-commercial license. To download this, go to the Files and Versions section, click Download. You can download it from there and save it in your ComfyUI Models LoRA folder. Now it's time to test this LoRA. In ComfyUI, I created this workflow with anti-blur and without. You can download this workflow. The link is in the description. Now we have to set the scale to 1.5 and our guidance scale is 3.5. The next step is to use 24 steps and a CFG of 1. For this tutorial we use Flux 1-day FP8. We bypass the LoRA and use Flux 1-day FP8 model. So I added a prompt and now test the result. You can compare both images and see how this LoRA fixes the background. You can see the background is clear, sharp, and the details are visible compared. You can compare both images, and I think with LoRA the quality is better from my perspective. Without the blur, this image looks better. You can compare both images. In this image the background is clearly visible and sharp, but in my opinion Flux did better in quality compared to anti-blur. That's it for today's video. Like the video and subscribe to our channel for more AI tips like this. If you want to learn AI completely free, then follow our blog. The more you follow our blog, the more we try to add daily tutorials. We can't make videos on every update, but from here you will be up to date about new tools, AI tools, features, new features, and many. That's it for today's video.